How to unblock someone on LinkedIn. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open LinkedIn and log into your account. Click on your profile on top right to the arrow, then click on Settings and Privacy. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Visibility, which is below Sign In and Security. Scroll all the way down till you find Blocking. You'll find all the blocked people in here. Simply click on Unblock. To unblock a person, you need to create a password for your account. After you create a password, you can simply click on the person, three dot, or simply click on Unblock and unblock the person. And that's how you unblock someone on LinkedIn. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.